Hello there, lovely people. Let's talk about makeup. Whether you're a total beginner or someone who's been experimenting for years, makeup can be a wonderful way to express yourself and start your day with a little boost of confidence. Sometimes it can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Although those brushes, palettes, and products can look intimidating, especially when you're short on time or energy. But trust me, you don't need to be a pro or have a huge collection to enjoy the process. What if I told you a little makeup can be quick, easy, and fun, like a touch of magic for your face? It's not about perfection, but about feeling good and adding a bit of joy to your routine. Even a few minutes can make a difference in how you feel. In just 10 minutes, you can feel more polished and ready for your day. Imagine stepping out the door with a fresh face, feeling energized and prepared to take on whatever comes your way. It's not about changing who you are, just adding a little sparkle to your morning. Think of it as a gentle ritual, a way to greet yourself with kindness before you greet the world. This routine is my secret for feeling put together even on the busiest days. When life gets hectic, having a simple routine helps me feel grounded and ready, no matter what's on my schedule. It's a small act of self-care that makes a big difference. Taking a few moments for yourself can set a positive tone for the rest of your day and remind you that you deserve a little pampering too. You don't need a mountain of products or hours of time, just a few trusty items and 10 minutes, a favorite concealer, a swipe of mascara, a touch of blush. Sometimes that's all it takes to feel refreshed. Think of your face as a beautiful canvas, ready for a few bright details. Each brush stroke is a chance to highlight what you love about yourself and to play with color and light in your own unique way. A quick routine is about celebrating your features, not hiding them. It's about enhancing your natural beauty and letting your personality shine through. No matter your style, it's your own personal art project and you get to wear it all day. Every day is a new opportunity to try something different or stick with what makes you feel your best. So, let's make this process simple and enjoyable for everyone, beginner or pro. Whether you're getting ready solo or sharing the moment with friends, makeup can be a fun, creative way to connect and express yourself. This routine will help you create a fresh, natural look that lasts. You'll feel comfortable, confident, and ready to take on the day, knowing you've taken a little time just for you. Grab your bits and bobs, and let's create a little everyday magic. Remember, it's not about the products or the trends, it's about feeling good in your own skin. Ready? Let's get started. Before we add color, let's prep our canvas. Start by washing your face with a gentle cleanser. Clean skin helps makeup go on smoothly and last longer. Next, moisturize to keep your skin hydrated and happy. Choose a moisturizer that suits your skin type. Lightweight for oily, richer for dry. For a time-saving tip, use a moisturizer with SPF to protect your skin from the sun. This combines 2 steps into one and keeps your skin healthy. Don't forget your neck. Prepping your skin takes just a minute or 2, but makes a huge difference. When your skin is well cared for, you need less makeup for a fresh look. That's it. Cleanse and moisturize and you're ready for color. Let's move on to the fun part. Now that your skin is prepped and feeling fresh, it's time to start building a beautiful base for your makeup. This is where the magic really begins. And you'll see how just a few simple steps can make a big difference in your overall look. Let's create a smooth, even surface that will help your makeup last longer and look more natural throughout the day. Primer is your first step. Think of it as smoothing out your canvas before you start painting. It fills in any little lines or uneven spots, so your foundation glides on effortlessly. Use a small amount and blend it all over your face, focusing on areas where makeup tends to fade or settle, like your nose, forehead, and chin. Next, apply foundation or a tinted moisturizer to even out your skin tone and give your face a healthy, radiant glow. Choose a shade that matches your skin for the most natural effect. Use your fingers for a quick, natural finish. Start in the center of your face and blend outward, making sure to smooth the edges into your hairline and jaw for a seamless look. Remember, less is more. You can always add a bit more if needed, but starting light helps you avoid a heavy or cakey appearance. Concealer is your secret weapon for covering up spots, redness, or dark circles under your eyes. It's perfect for those little areas that need extra attention. Dab a tiny bit where you need extra coverage and gently blend with your fingertip or a small brush, using a tapping motion for the most natural finish. For under eyes, try applying your concealer in a small triangle shape with the base along your lower lash line and the point toward your cheek. This not only covers dark circles, but also brightens and lifts your whole face. Be gentle around your eyes. The skin here is delicate and thin, so use a light touch to avoid tugging or irritation. The goal isn't to hide every flaw, but to create a fresh, rested look that enhances your natural beauty and makes you feel confident. Primer, foundation, and concealer, these 3 quick steps work together to give you a flawless base that's ready for the rest of your makeup routine. This whole process shouldn't take more than a few minutes, especially once you get comfortable with the steps. With a little practice, applying your base will become second nature, and you'll be able to do it quickly and confidently every day. Ready for the next step? Let's go and see how to bring your look to life. Time to set your base and add some color. Lightly dust translucent powder over your face to lock in your makeup and control shine. Use a fluffy brush and focus on your T-zone. Now blush. Smile to find the apples of your cheeks. Sweep a natural shade onto your cheeks, blending upwards. Cream blushes are great for a quick, dewy finish. Just tap and blend with your fingers. Start with a little and build up if needed. Powder and blush take your look from flat to fresh in seconds. These steps are fast but make a big impact. Let's move on to the eyes. Ready to give your eyes a little extra sparkle? Let's give them a quick, easy boost that makes a big difference, even on the busiest mornings. For everyday wear, a single wash of neutral eyeshadow, think soft brown, taupe, or a gentle champagne, works wonders to instantly brighten your eyes and add subtle depth. Just use your fingertip to pat the color over your lid. The warmth of your skin helps blend the shadow seamlessly, making it look effortless. Want a bit more definition? Take a small brush and sweep a slightly deeper shade into your crease. This step adds dimension and makes your eyes pop but still keeps things soft and wearable. Blend everything well with a fluffy brush for a natural, seamless look. No harsh lines, just a gentle transition of color. For liner, skip the drama. Instead, use a soft pencil to gently press color right into your upper lash line. This technique is called tight lining. Tight lining makes your lashes look instantly fuller and your eyes more defined, all without looking overdone. It's a subtle trick that really wakes up your gaze. You can keep it simple with just eyeshadow, go for just liner, or combine both for a little extra impact. It's all about what feels right for you today. The goal here is soft, simple, and quick. Something you can do in just a few minutes, even if you're in a rush. Don't worry about perfection. A little definition goes a long way, and your eyes will look more awake and refreshed. These easy steps brighten your eyes, make you look more alert, and add a touch of magic to your everyday look. See the difference? Let's finish framing those beautiful eyes and get ready to take on the day. Brows and lashes make a big difference, fast. For brows, use a tinted brow gel and brush through in an upward motion. This adds color, fills gaps, and sets hairs in place in one step. If you need more, use a pencil with light hair-like strokes, then blend with a spoolie. Keep it natural, just enhance your shape. Now, mascara curl your lashes if you like, then wiggle the wand at the base and sweep up. 1 or 2 coats on upper lashes is plenty for every day. Bottom lashes are optional. Don't pump the wand, and swirl it to pick up product. Brows and mascara, frame your eyes and pull the look together. Quick, easy, and impactful. You're almost done. Let's add the finishing touch. Last step, lips. For a quick routine, use a tinted lip balm or sheer lipstick. Choose a shade just a bit deeper than your natural lips for a fresh look. Rosy pinks, berries, and warm nudes are great options. Swipe it on, no mirror needed. These products hydrate and add color in one go. Reapply as needed throughout the day, and that's it, your 10-minute makeup is complete. You look like you, just a bit more polished and bright-eyed. Makeup is about feeling good and having fun. Go out, smile, and enjoy your day.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.